Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Willa from Barbie Mariposa in Dress to Impress. Okay guys, this is for the outfit and I'm going to show you how I made this outfit. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose this hairstyle and combine it with this hairstyle, and you're going to color it with this color. And also this bang, you're going to make it this color and put on this tiara from the VIP room, and you can color it with this color. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to the top area, which is right here, and then I'm going to put on this top, and I'm going to apply this purple color. This is for the color code, and then I'm going to make it glitter. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to this area, and I'm going to apply this flower top. And then for the color, you're going to make it purple. For the lush leaves, I'm going to make it this color, this purple color. And for the roses, make it this dark purple. Okay, and for the next one, I'm going to make it this purple and also this one. Oops, wait. Okay, I'm going to make it this color for the butterfly chains and also this color. Okay, and then the next one guys, I'm going to move to the changing room. And then I'm going to select this skirt. Okay, for this skirt, I'm going to remove the layer, and then we're going to apply the same purple color, this one. Okay, and I'm going to make it glitter, and then I'm going to apply this skirt as well. We're going to make it this purple color, and then make it glitter. You can make it purple for the first selection and also the second selection. Okay guys, and the next one, I'm going to put on this mirror heels, and I'm going to make it this color for the first selection, second selection, okay, and also the third selection. Okay, and then I'm going to move to the VIP room. Okay, right here, and then I'm going to put on this item. And then I'm going to make it this purple color for the first selection and also the second selection. Okay, this is optional guys. You can skip this one if you can skip this item if you don't want to add it to your model. Okay, and put on this wings, and then we're going to make it bigger. Okay, and for the other one, I'm going to make it bigger as well. Okay, and then we're going to color it with the purple color. Okay guys, and this is the color for the wings. Wait, let me show you the color for this wing. You're going to make it this color for the first selection, second selection, third selection, and fourth selection. And then for this one, you're going to make it this color, this one, and also this one. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Willa from Barbie Mariposa in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!